guys, it's Hannah
and Emily.
And I know you guys can't really see our hands. Okay. I know you guys really can't see our faces, but you guys can see our hands. Because today we will be testing out, just for a second, Jot Glue. Jot Glue, you can get this at the Dollar Tree, and it's $1 for 2, so it's a pretty good deal.
We're gonna see if it works.
Yeah, so. Oh, and before we even get started, for the recipes that we're doing today, I think we're gonna be doing different ones, but it's just basic recipes, so we're just trying it out. Yeah. And it looks like the glue.
It's the same as an Elmer's Blue Bottle. How many ounces is it?
4.
Yeah, see, they're both 4 ounces.
Oh, look, it has a little covering, so it's secure. It smells so bad, though. Okay, now we will begin to add our goodies. And for the activator, we're using borax. You guys can use whatever activator you want. That's just the activator that we prefer. Just slow.
Oh, I don't like this. Kind of chunky.
Oh no. The cornstarch is going like well, way better. Okay, these beads are haunting Emily.
So you know those little foam beads? I find them everywhere.
Oh no! This does not look gorgeous. That, like, I have to mix differently.
You guys, this is horrible. It's just like breaking and...
Well, I'm trying to mix a lot before I add my next thing of activator because it's looking very... It smells disgusting, honestly.
Yeah, it smells like nail polish remover, just saying.
Honestly, if this works, I will continue to buy Jot Glue, so...
Step to the
Okay,
side.
let me show you guys. Can they see this? Yeah.
Okay, I'm taking mine out.
Okay, look, it's coming together actually really nicely. Not gonna lie, I kind of like this consistency. So,
Right now that I touched it, I think I got mixed feelings about it.
oh whoa, I kind of like this actually.
Okay, you guys, I'm taking mine out.
Okay, Emily will show you guys hers.
It's not the stretchiest, but there's Hannah's.
I really like it actually. So, am I impressed with this glue? Yeah, I kind of am. I don't know if you
I
are.
thought it would be worse.
Actually.
Just needs a little bit of lotion and it'll be fine. That's my fault, cause like,
I really like it actually. I really like this cornstarch. The new baby powder, because I would use a different baby powder and I didn't like that one. I actually really like it. Whoa, this is like a cool... Did you do a jelly slime or were you trying to do a different slime?
I don't know. I just put random stuff in it.
This feels really nice.
You made
Cream cheese.
cream cheese.
Do you think you can recreate this one?
If I watch the video back.
Oh my gosh. I really like this.
It feels like jelly slime, huh? I'll go follow our slime Instagram.
It's at Slimes03.
Slime with 3 Z's. I like this This is a success.
Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up
Subscribe.
and comment down
Down
below. Yeah, that's
See you guys
it.
next time.
Bye guys.
Bye.
I'm ready.